Hello friend, my name is Sagar Kamadia from Create Design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will give you a suggestion to the calculator application. First of all, when we write this here, 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs, okay, I get the output of a 15 lakhs. I can read it, I can translate this amount into word by seeing this comma, okay, but my suggestion is to translate this digit into text here so we can understand quickly. If there is a output of a 15 lakhs means 1.5 million, so we need to write here tax 1.5 million, just like as when we write 10 lakhs, that means here should be tax 1 million plus 5 lakhs means 5 here should be 5 million equal to, and also here 15 lakhs, that means 1.5 million. So this is my suggestion to write this digit into text here so user can directly read this text quickly, so it will get a better user experience. Thank you.